A multimeter is a helpful tool that can check electricity. It can tell you if a battery is strong, if a wire is broken, or if a circuit has the right amount of power. It is a little like a detective's notebook for things you cannot see by looking alone. Inside the multimeter are settings for different jobs. The most common ones are voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage is like the push that moves electricity along a path. Current is how much electricity is flowing. Resistance is how hard it is for electricity to move. First, choose the right setting. If you want to test a battery, turn the dial to voltage. If you want to check whether a wire is connected, use resistance or the continuity setting. If you want to know how much electricity is flowing, use current, but only with care and only in the correct circuit path. The two test leads are like the multimeter's hands. The black lead usually goes into the COM hole. The red lead goes into the hole marked for the job you want to do. Then touch the small metal tips to the right places. To test a battery, place the black tip on the negative side and the red tip on the positive side. If the number is much lower, the battery may be weak. To check a wire, switch to continuity or resistance. If the wire is good, the meter may beep or show a very small number. If it shows a very large number or nothing happens, the wire may be broken. A multimeter is useful, but it must be used carefully. Always start with the highest setting if you are unsure. Never touch bare metal with your fingers while measuring a live circuit. And always ask an adult for help when working with electricity. With practice, a multimeter becomes a friendly problem solver. It helps you see the hidden world of electricity, one reading at a time.